In law of torts, there are many remedies which are available for the injured person, and the most common remedy is the award of damages. Damages is that amount of money which the injured person gets from the person who caused injury to him. Now, what is injury under law of torts? Basically, the person should have suffered a legal injury, because in case no legal injury happens, a person cannot claim damages even if he suffered an actual loss. That means the act or the omission must result in legal damage or injury, that is, violation of a legal right vested in the plaintiff. This means that the act or injury must cause a damage that is recognized by law as wrongful. Injury has been defined under two categories. The first one is Injuria Sine Damno and second is Damnum Sine Injuria. Let's understand the first one, that is Injuria Sine Damno. The meaning of Injuria Sine Damnum is, here injuria means injury, sine means without, and damnum means damage. It means that there is a legal injury without any actual damage. Here, the legal right of an individual is violated, therefore he has a right to go to the court to enforce such right. A person has a legal right to enjoy his property, and if someone throws trash in it, this is a violation of his legal right and is liable under torts. However, it is possible that a legal right is violated without causing any physical or real damage. Let's discuss two important cases on Injuria Sine Damno. First one is Ashby vs. White, 1703. In this, the defendant wrongfully prevented the plaintiff from voting. Even though there was no damage, the defendant was held liable. Second is Bhim Singh vs. State of Jammu and Kashmir, 1986. In this, plaintiff was an MLA and was wrongfully arrested while he was going to assembly session. He was not produced before the magistrate within the requisite period. It was held that this was the violation of his fundamental rights. Even though he was later released, he was awarded 50,000 rupees as exemplary damage by Supreme Court. So now I think it is clear that even if there is no physical or real damage, but if there is a violation of a legal right, that means a legal injury, then it comes under the purview of Injuria Sine Damno and the person is held liable. On the other hand, if we talk about Damnum Sine Injuria, it is possible that a person suffered a huge loss or damage, but none of his legal rights are violated. Then in this case, there is no tortious act. The meaning of Damnum Sine Injuria is again, damnum means damage, sine means without, and injuria is injury. That means damage without injury. That means there is actual damage but no legal injury, and thus the person cannot go to the court to enforce his right because he has no such right in the absence of a legal injury. That's why damage can be provided in the case of Injuria Sine Damnum, but not in the case of Damnum Sine Injuria. Let's discuss Damnum Sine Injuria with the help of few cases. The first one is Gloucester Grammar School's case, 1410. In this, defendant opened a rival grammar school in front of the existing one, thereby causing the fees of the existing one to be reduced from 40 pence to 12 pence. He was not liable as he did not violate any legal right of the plaintiff, although the plaintiff suffered a huge loss. The next is Ushaben vs. Bhagyalakshmi Chitra Mandir, AIR 1978. In this particular case, plaintiff sought a permanent injunction against the cinema house to restrain them from showing the movie Jai Santoshi Ma. It was contended that the movie depicted the god Lakshmi, Saraswati and Parvati in bad light, which is offensive to the plaintiff. It was held that hurt to religious sentiment is not recognized as legal wrong, since there was no violation of a legal right and injunction was not granted. So the basic difference between the two is in their terms only. as Injuria Sine Damno is a legal injury, so caused to the plaintiff without any damage to physical injury. While in case of Damnum Sine Injuria, it refers to the damage suffered physically by the plaintiff, but no damage is being caused to the legal rights as there is no violation of it. Another point of difference is that Injuria Sine Damnum is actionable per se as there is a violation of legal right, while other is not, as there is no violation of any legal right is there. So that's all about the difference between Injuria Sine Damnum and Damnum Sine Injuria. I hope you like the video, and if you like it, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for such video. Thank you for watching.